And now some new information on the crack in the I-40 bridge in Memphis. Documents obtained by our sister station there say the damage would have been discovered earlier if procedures were followed. A memo states Monty Frazier should have gotten within arm's length of the outside of this support beam, but didn't do so because it was unsafe. Memo goes on to say that was not true. Frazier has since been fired. And we're now learning that the crack could have been there longer than originally thought. Take a look at this photo that a kayaker on the Mississippi River says he took back in 2016. Arkansas transportation officials said they couldn't confirm or deny that this picture shows the crack. Earliest confirmed images of the crack were taken by an inspector back in May of 2019. No word yet on when they plan to reopen the bridge.
Months.